Welcome to the Daily Wisdom Seeker podcast. Today I'm going to talk about a simple but powerful way to achieve a peaceful mind based on the wisdom quote, "A peaceful mind will appear once expectations disappear." I wrote this one several years ago. You know how expectations can ruin your mood, right? Like when you expect someone to do something and they don't. Or when you expect yourself to be perfect and you're not. Or when you expect things to go a certain way and they don't. Bummer, huh? Well, there's a way out of this mess, and it's super simple. Just let go of expectations. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you should give up on your goals or dreams. Those are good. Those are things you can work on and control. But expectations are different. Those are things you cling to and depend on. Those are things you can't control. For example, let's say you want to run a marathon. That's awesome. You can train for it, plan for it, do it. You can control your actions and your attitude. But let's say you expect to finish in under 4 hours. That's not so awesome. You can't control the weather, the traffic, the course, the other runners, or your own body. You might get hurt, sick, tired, or just have a bad day. And if you don't meet your expectations, you'll feel awful. But what if you let go of that expectation? What if you just ran for fun? What if you've enjoyed the journey, not the destination? What if you celebrated your effort, no matter what time you got? Wouldn't that make you happier and calmer? That's the magic of letting go of expectations. It makes you free from attachment. It makes you live in the now. It makes you open to new things and chances. It makes you appreciate what you have and what you can do. So how do you let go of expectations? Well, it's not hard. It just takes some practice and patience. But here are 5 tips that might help. 1. Notice your expectations. Pay attention to when they pop up in your head and how they make you feel and act. 2. Question your expectations. Ask yourself, are they realistic? Are they helpful? Are they necessary? Are they based on facts or guesses? 3. Change your expectations to preferences. Instead of saying, I expect this to happen, say, I would like this to happen. This way you admit your wishes without being stuck on them. 4. Accept reality as it is. Don't fight or ignore what is happening. Don't judge or blame yourself or others. Just watch and learn from the situation. 5. Be thankful for what you have. Don't take anything for granted. Say thank you to yourself and others. Celebrate your achievements and successes. By following these tips, you will be able to let go of expectations and get a calm mind. And a calm mind will bring you many benefits for making your everyday life better. For example, a calm mind will help you deal with stress and worry better. A calm mind will improve your relationships with others and yourself. A calm mind will boost your creativity and productivity. A calm mind will improve your health and well-being. A calm mind will make you happier and more fulfilled. Sounds good, right? So why not give it a try? Start today by letting go of one expectation. I hope you enjoyed this piece of wisdom and learned something useful. Please subscribe and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from it too. Until next time, stay happy and peaceful.